Hi, I'm Tim. Welcome to Watchbox, and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, tmosso@thewatchbox.com, your purchase and pricing email question line for buying this or any watch you see here on our channel, on our website, or our social media. Reach out to me directly, tmosso@thewatchbox.com. Today, we're discussing what might be the best buy in modern luxury divers. This is the Breitling Superocean 44, and it has all the toys. 44 millimeters in stainless steel, the watch measures 14.3 millimeters in thickness, and from lug to lug 52.8 millimeters with a 22 millimeter spacing between the lugs. Let's pop open the clamshell clasp and throw this one on the wrist. My wrist is 16 centimeters in circumference, and as you can see, the watch spreads right to the edge of my wrist. Here's the down the barrel shot. I've got a little bit of clearance on each side. Over the top, you can see it does fit, although it extends right to the edge. And the cuff shot proves the watch is surprisingly thin when actually on the wrist, so you could wear it with a dress sleeve. I wouldn't recommend it for a wrist smaller than 15 centimeters circumference. You would want to get the 42 millimeter Superocean. Now, taking a quick look at the hardware, it is the Professional 3 bracelet, which means it has the slash cut style lugs, and they are asymmetrical with large center links and smaller flanking links. You can see outboard, it's all of satin finish. Removable links are fixed by screws, no pin sleeves here. It's a single fold deployant with a clamshell locking system, and you can see the clamshell locks as such. There is also a series of divots drilled inside the clasp, so with your strap tool you can use the spring bar to move the anchoring point of the bracelet inside of the clasp for fine-tuning the size. The case is simple, and as you can see, it has satin finished lug hoods with polished flanks. There's a helium escape valve for saturation divers, and the crown is shouldered and a screw down. Now the watch has water resistance rating of 1,000 meters. You're not going to get that on a sub, and you're not going to get the helium escape valve on a sub. On the Superocean 44, they come standard. The bezel is remarkably rugged in construction. You can see it features satin finished recesses and then knurled outer faces in high polish. You see these little screws in the flanks of the bezel? That's called a captive bezel. Breitling and Zinn are the best known proponents of this system. It creates a more expensive bezel that's somewhat more time consuming to assemble and disassemble for service, but it's also a lot tougher as the screws mechanically fix the bezel to the case and it can't accidentally snap off the way you can with, for example, a Rolex or an Omega. Now, what I love about this bezel is that it has relieved and raised satin finished numerals and indices. It features a lovely rusticated thin layer of rubber, so there's a thin layer of rubber on the bezel itself that's proven to be very durable in practice. It is a remarkably mechanical ratchet, so hear this against the mic. It's a 120 click bezel that allows you to place it very precisely, and it has a big loomed pearl. You'll also note that the dial itself is the same matte blue as the bezel, and that it features raised and applique indices. This is a nice feature because it gives the watch an upscale look. It's not simply a printed dial, and you have the Breitling wing logo. You also have an assurance that this is a certified chronometer, which it certainly is. Now, the screw down crown is necessary given the water resistance, and it allows you to access the hacking seconds function. We're gonna make sure we roll through the date change so we're not at midnight when we use the date quick set, but you can see that the watch does feature a date quick set. In addition to hacking seconds, you can change the date very quickly. The watch beats away at 28,800 vibrations per hour and pivots on 25 joules. It uses what Breitling calls its caliber 17, which I call an ETA 28242, 5-position adjustment, COSC chronometer certified. It is a very tough bidirectional winder with a 38-hour power reserve, virtually indestructible, and as a chronometer, a very precise version of a very tough and universally serviceable movement. You can see there's a handsome circular satin concentric brushing on the case back. This is a lovely watch and one that offers immense capability, durability, and enduring beauty from one of the great brands in luxury horology. Email tmosso@thewatchbox.com for purchase and pricing details of this Breitling Superocean 44. And we're back with the Breitling Superocean 44. You can see a big bezel pearl, robustly loomed, and luminescent seconds hand, a feature that every dive watch should include.